The given image is exhibiting an important information about aim for a healthy weight BMI chart for adults. The given image includes weight in kilograms, height in centimeter, and BMI. Firstly, the kilogram between 40 to 50 kilogram with 180 centimeter of height is called underweight, whereas the kilogram from 120 to 130 with height between 170 to 180 centimeter are considered as obese. The highest BMI is 30, whereas the lowest BMI is 18.5. To conclude, the image is very informative and give information about BMI.
The given line graph depicts the information about BMI chart for adults. The horizontal axis of the graph represents the height in centimeter, whereas the vertical axis represents weight in kilograms. The weight starts from 18 goes up to 150, whereas the centimeters starts from 114 goes up to 200 centimeter. So it can be noted that the maximum can be covered by obese close to 150 kg. However, it can be observed that the minimum is covered by overweight, which is BMI 30, and the highlighting feature is the second highest was BMI underweight, which is 18.5. To sum up, the maximum were obese and minimum were overweight.
This picture shows me interesting information about aim for a healthy weight. The horizontal line contains height in centimeters, including 140 centimeter and 150 centimeter, and the vertical line contains weight in kilograms, including 30, 40, and 50. It is clear that the highest value is 100 centikilograms. On the other hand, the lowest value is 40 kilograms. The picture was informative and easy to follow. In conclusion, this picture shows me useful information about the BMI chart for adults.
The line graph gives the information about aim for a healthy weight BMI chart for adults. Firstly, the x-axis gives the information about the height in centimeters from 140 centimeter to 200 centimeter. The source adapted from the Australian Dietary Guidelines, whereas the y-axis gives the information weight in kilograms, which is 30 kilogram to 150 kilograms. However, the maximum element I can see in this picture is the obese, which is around the BM 30. However, the minimum element in this picture is the BM 25, and the second highest would be the BM 18.5 with the underweight and the healthy weight range. Overall, the line graph is quite informative.
The given picture gives the information about the aim for a healthy weight BMI chart for adults. It is clear that the BMI chart for adults is indicated with the weight in kilos and the height in centimeters. Firstly, there is a BMI under 18.5, which is indicated with the brown color, is underweight. Then the BMI between the 18.5 to 25 is healthy weight, which is indicated with the light green color. And the BMI between 25 to 30 is indicated with the dark green color, which is overweight. And the BMI above 30 is obese, which is overweight, which is indicated with the dark blue color. The informative chart is very informative.
The line graph gives information regarding aim for a healthy weight BMI chart for adults. It gives the information regarding various type of categories, that is obese, overweight, healthy weight range, and underweight. It also gives the information regarding y-axis and the x-axis. Y-axis shows the height in centimeters. On the other hand side, it shows the information regarding BMI weight in kilogram as well. It can be precisely seen that the highest category was obese and the lowest category was underweight, which is starting from 30 and reached to the 18.5 and in the 70. Overall, the data was informative and put the impact on BMI.
The given image is exhibiting an important information about aim for a healthy weight BMI chart for adults. The image includes weight in kilograms, height in centimeter, and BMI. Firstly, the BMI of 30 is considered as obese, whereas the BMI of 25 is considered as healthy. Similarly, the weight between 40 to 50 kilograms with height of 180 centimeter is considered as underweight, whereas the weight between 120 to 130 with BMI with height of 170 centimeter is considered as the obese. To conclude, the image gives an information about BMI.
In the given picture give us the information about the aim for a healthy weight BMI chart for adults. The left side of the picture represent 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 kg. The bottom of the picture represent 4.7, 4.11 inches 5.3, 5.7, 5.11, 6.3, 6.7. The right side of the picture represent BAM 30, BMI 25, BAM 18.5. Overall, in this picture, give us the information about the aim of for adult weight BMI chart for adults.